Hi, this is Sassy Lady 109. This is my second attempt to make a video. As you can see, this mark in my throat, I had in my chest. I had open heart surgery in 2018, December 2018. But I'm back and I'm ready to go, and I hope everyone is able to get this video. I received a box, AIA, and they wanted me to review the product. And I'm new at all this. I'm just learning how to do some of my makeup, learn how to do my hair, and make my own wigs. So, and I wear synthetic, and I wear wigs I have made myself, and this is one I have made myself. It is it's supposed to be a deep wave, but I believe it's a water wave, and I just love this hair. It's been around since early 2018. Well, as I can say, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell when I upload a video. I'm going to try to upload a video at least once a week, and with makeup or learning to do makeup on YouTube. So here's this is the package that I received. I did open it, and I did use the highlighter, and I also used one of the lip glosses. And this is what the card looked like. Let's see if we can focus in. This is what the card looked like that was sent to me. Okay. Now, the product that they sent me was the eyeshadow palette, but I had also got this in BoxyCharm. So I'm not going to open it. I am going to do giveaways. So this will be one of my giveaways. And I have one lip gloss that I did not use. So I'm going to put that in the giveaway. I received 5. And I have one of the lip gloss on now over my MAC Studio lipstick. So I don't have the name, so maybe I can get the name to you. This was very good. I love the highlighter. The highlighter is great. I enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to doing more with this eyeliner. Excuse me, not the eyeliner. I'm not that savvy yet. Did I tell you? Oops, dropped the box. Did I tell you guys I am 61 years old? 61 years old, March the 12th. So I am so happy and excited that I'm able to come to you. This is all new to me. And if you guys could leave positive comments down, something that will help me, not hurt me. So I really would appreciate that. So, and this is the makeup look from the eye makeup. I only used 2 eyeshadows, and I used over my brow bone with from another palette that I purchased. So I'm trying to get this open. This is what the highlighter looks like. Let's focus in. Focus, focus, focus. This is what the highlighter looks like. It's beautiful. Beautiful highlighter. And this is what it looks like on my hand, swatched on my hand. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I love this. This is going to get a lot of wear. So if you have any comments, or you would like to know anything about what I'm wearing, please put it in the comment box, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Like I said, I'm recovering from open heart surgery, and I am 61 years old, and I'm pretty much new to the makeup game, and and the hair game, and I think I did pretty good with making this wig. I have a few of them that I made, and a few of them that I bought. And I don't know why it's like tangling, but it's really good hair. It's old, Like I said, it's almost 3 years old and it's still going strong. So yes, I really enjoy this hair. It's I don't have too much to say. I just want, to become friends with you because I have been following a lot of YouTubers, and one that I have been following for a very long time is Little Cute Nurse. I've been following her for a very long time, and I've been following uh, Jackie. I've been following her, but not as long as I've been following Little Cute Nurse. I've been following her for a very long time, like I said. I really appreciate you tuning into my channel, and like I said, please leave comments and what I can do better to make my videos better. But I did want to shout out to this beauty company for sending me this lovely package. Let's see if we can focus in on it. Yes, they sent me this lovely package and I am so grateful. I mean, I got up and went to my door and there it was. I'm like, well, this must be a sign, Jesus. God is telling me to go ahead and make YouTube videos. So after church today, we did streaming online, virtual TV, virtual church today, Victory in Christ Christian Fellowship, Bishop John and Pastor Aisha Edmondson. So we're on YouTube and Facebook. So we're on Wednesday and Sunday. So if you get a chance, give us a shout out. We would love to have you come in our service. And be safe. Remember, God is with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. So be of good courage. He has commanded us to be of good courage. So thank you and have a blessed and wonderful day.